If you want to hide your Facebook story from anyone selected or specific people or friends without them knowing, we're going to show you how to change or customize your story privacy settings. For that, from your Facebook app, when you add a story to upload, select whatever you want to upload, go to privacy. From there, go to hide story from, and select whoever you want to hide your story from. Press done, save, and go ahead, save again to confirm, and then you can just post and upload your story. Already posted it? Don't worry. Tap on your story, go to this three-dot menu to edit story privacy, and then go ahead, hide your story from whoever you like. You can check out your story privacy. Open your app, tap on your profile to this wheel icon, scroll down to audience and privacy, to storage. From here, you can check out your story privacy and also can change it as well. And next time, all your story will follow these settings. After you're done, just press save. Save again to confirm. And that's it. So that's how you can hide your Facebook stories from specific people. Stay safe and stay connected. Thank you for watching.